The Mould King 1088 V8 engine model kit offers a remarkable building experience with its 535 pieces that allow enthusiasts to construct a working mini engine. Equipped with an L motor and battery box, the kit demonstrates impressive power output within a compact design, making it a fantastic choice for adults interested in mechanical engineering. The realistic model features dynamic pistons, interactive cables, and a spinning motor fan, providing an engaging and educational experience for those fascinated by automotive engineering. The transparent cylinder head design reveals the intricate internal mechanics, enhancing the builder's understanding of piston movement and valve train operation. This engine model kit stands out as an exceptional gift for car lovers, offering 4 to 6 hours of immersive and rewarding building fun. Mould King has ensured customer satisfaction by addressing any issues with missing parts, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable building process.